Hello everyone, I am here in Hollywood Beach. I'm walking here on the boardwalk and I'm gonna show you around. In a little bit it should be sunset.
It sucks twice. It sucks to put everything in the parking lot.
Haagen-Dazs right over there if you're feeling like something refreshing. It's so busy here today. There are so many people. It's been such a long time since I've been here in Hollywood Beach. I guess everyone is here. The snowbirds are still here, and everyone is moving here to South Florida.
And I need a credit card to pay the parking. Maria, where'd you put that parking ticket? You got it in the car?
This is a cool looking bar right here. The Lone Palm Beach Bar. Paradise awaits. That sounds like my type of place. Margaritaville. Have you been to Margaritaville? I actually have not been, even though it's been here for the last few years. So just taking a walk over here in the beach on the actual sand. Let's see what's happening over here. It's too much. So right here is the Hollywood Beach Theater. I know when I used to live in Hollywood and I would come here on Sunday evenings, they would often have people performing there, and it's usually so fun. Lots of people would gather around. And at the same time, you can be eating, enjoying drinks and food at the same time. As you can see, there is so much activity here on the boardwalk in Hollywood Beach. And if you're feeling for more ice cream again, there is Ben & Jerry's right there.
Where is it?
Here is a restaurant, Nyx. Seems to be super popular. Lots of people are inside and outside. If you're looking for sunglasses, it's right over there. Or the Agua Stop looks like they sell beachwear in there. This is a very, very popular place called the Taco Spot. As you can see, it's packed. There's a long line of people waiting. But I've been here before and it's actually very good. So if you're ever in the Hollywood area, you should check out the Taco Spot on the boardwalk. And if you're feeling for Italian, there is Florio's Italian restaurant. I've never been, but it seems like lots of people like it.
Lauren, without saying excuse me, I'm so proud.
Latitude's restaurant over there on the left. So I hope that you enjoyed my walking tour of Hollywood Beach on the boardwalk. It's such a gorgeous day. The sunset is coming. The ocean is in the background. I'm just gonna take a walk over and enjoy the ocean, enjoy the breeze, and wait for the sunset to come. So if you'll take a walk with me. So until next time, bye.